We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee, her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious cornbread taco bake, y'all. Yes, a recipe shared to me from my dear friend, Miss Lisa Rickerson. And here are our ingredients. I'm making a larger casserole, so I'm doubling my recipe. Here I'm showing you what we're starting off with. We have some Jiffy cornbread mix, shredded cheese, sour cream, green onions, tomatoes, some southwestern corn, Rotel tomatoes, lettuce, black olives. Letting y'all know we are doubling some of our ingredients. Here we're adding 2 packages of Jiffy cornbread mix. The recipe calls for 1, but we are using 2 boxes. Here we are adding in our 2 eggs and also our milk. And we're going to mix this together until it becomes smooth. And this is what we're looking for. In my 9x13 casserole dish, I am spraying this really well because we don't want this to stick. I am using a canola oil spray. And now we're pouring in our mixture. And we're going to smooth this around. Try to make it as evenly as possible. And we're going to place this in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. And then we're going to go on to our next step. Okay, in this skillet, I am adding 2 pounds of ground beef. The recipe calls for 1, but y'all, I am doubling some of the ingredients because we're making this for our large family. We're going to continue to brown our ground beef until we see no pink in our meat. As you can see, the pink is slowly disappearing, and we're going to continue until we see no pink. Okay. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Now we're going to drain our ground beef and we're going to be right back. Here we are adding in our taco seasoning. We're using only 2 packages of taco seasoning. I had 3 out just in case it wasn't seasoned, but this is perfect. Here we're adding in our water and our Rotel tomatoes. And we're going to give this a quick stir. Now we're adding in our corn. Here I'm adding 2 cans of corn because I am doubling up my recipe. Except for the Rotel tomatoes, I only use 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. And we're going to stir this up a little bit, and then we're going to the next step. I have just taken our cornbread out of the oven, and now we're going to top it with our meat mixture. Here we're spooning our ground meat mixture onto our cornbread. Make sure to add the juices from the ground meat mixture as well. I can't wait to let y'all know how my grandchildren and my family enjoyed this recipe. I'm going to continue to add the ground meat mixture on there, and I'm going to be right back. Here we're putting together our topping, which is the sour cream, our Mexican blend shredded cheese, and also our chives, which is the top of the green onion. And we're going to mix this up well because we want to be able to taste all three ingredients in each bite. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Now we're going to go on to the next step. Here we are adding our sour cream topping onto our casserole. Y'all, this is so good. We're going to be very careful as you add this onto it, and especially as you spread it, be very careful. Okay, this is how I did mine. As I was spreading, you kind of press a little bit as you spread until you get the whole casserole covered, okay? Now we're adding some more cheese. You can add as much or less as you prefer. We're going to place this in a 350-degree oven. Make sure you lower your heat after you remove your cornbread out of the oven. We're going to bake our casserole for 25 minutes, and then we're going to be back with the final result. This is our cornbread taco bake before we place it in the oven. Okay, here's our final result. And now we're getting ready to place this on a plate and show y'all our final result. Here I'm showing you some of our toppings. You can also add taco sauce or salsa of your choice. Here I decided to show y'all how I diced up my tomatoes. What I do, I remove the seeds out of the tomatoes, and then I slice and dice, as you can see here. We're going to finish dicing these up, and we're going to be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. Y'all, my family really enjoyed this cornbread taco bake. Y'all, this was so delicious. My grandkids kept coming back for more. Thank you, Miss Lisa, for sharing this delicious recipe with us. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!